Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use the Apple Maps app and the maps in it offline on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do is just open the apps map and tap on your profile picture, tap on offline maps, and now press add. And now you're, for example, want to choose your the map you want to download. And I'm going to stop the download process because I don't want Miami map downloaded because it weighs a bit too much. And that's pretty much it. And if you download it and you're in the area, you'll be able to navigate it without the internet connection. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.